Be sure to subscribe to my channel, man. It'd be greatly appreciated. Make sure you press the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. But today is gonna be an exciting day. I can't wait to hear what this system sounds like, man. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Thalo, man, and welcome back to another video. So if you tuned in last week, I installed my first modification onto my car. And if you missed that, there's a link to the video above. If you're new to my channel, my name is Thalo. Welcome. I highly recommend that you check out my first video of me introducing my Mustang GT so that you can get an understanding of what my channel is about. My 2018 Mustang GT, and that video is above. So on today's episode, man, we're going to be unboxing the MBRP Race Cat-back Exhaust. So obviously the box is too big to fit in my car, so I'm going to unbox it and then load everything into my trunk and then go get this bad boy installed. So you guys are going to follow me as we go about this process. Alright guys, so yeah, so I decided to go with the MBRP Cat-back Exhaust mainly because I wanted to do something different, and also this is a very affordable system. So this system costs around $600, I believe, where I feel like majority of the Mustangs that I see that do have exhaust, they normally have the same system. So they normally either have like the Borla or the Roush Cat-back systems, and even the Corsa Extremes. And all of those Cat-back exhausts come with the X pipe, so the sound is going to be more so like raspy and loud, whereas the MBRP is going to be an H pipe, so it'd be more of a deeper, like traditional muscle car sound. So I'm a little nervous because I'm afraid this may be a little too loud because there's really not any mufflers at all. But hey, you only live once, so let's go for it. All right, so, oh man. Like I said, this box weighs about 68 pounds. So believe it or not, this system actually weighs less than the stock system. So saving some weight. Let's put some on the ground. So first things first is you have your H pipe. So this is what is going to produce that deep rumble. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out. So this connects, so this would be your connection from the H pipe to like the axle back. So it comes with two of these. And here is the axle back. So it's a quad tip exhaust. So your exhaust tips will go right here, and this is like a little baby muffler. Got all your clamps. So this is a bolt-on system, so there's no welding needed, and usually this should be a really fast install. So I'm not sure how backed up the place I'm going to is. So there are 4 boxes. These are going to be like the exhaust tips. If you guys are looking for an expert who's going to tell you what kind of steel and aluminum is on here and what materials are used, this is not, I'm not that person. I'm simply just trying to get my car that I love to sound the way that I love. So I'm not your guy when it comes to knowing all the details and specifics. She's very pretty looking. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, man. So you got your exhaust tips, you got the axle back, you got your H-pipe, and that's pretty much standard, man. So I'm about to hop in the car. I'm gonna load all this stuff up and head to the exhaust shop. They told me to probably be about an hour wait. So I'll get that installed and show you guys what my baby sounds like. So I'm gonna hop in the car. I actually haven't started the car today, so you guys will get to hear what the cold start of the stock exhaust sounds like. But also, man, be sure to subscribe to my channel, man. It'd be greatly appreciated. Make sure you press the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. But today is gonna be an exciting day. I can't wait to hear what this system sounds like, man. Alright y'all, so I just got to the muffler shop. It's called the 183 Muffler Shop. So apparently I'm next in line, so right now I'm just waiting. Hey man, I'm running, honestly I'm kind of running out of video ideas. So that didn't mean no world to me if you guys could drop a comment. Start, baby. That's not what that was gonna be. What's up? Nice, man, nice. I like it.